Hi guys, I have a quick tutorial to show you. I'll show you how to stick balloons to the wall. If you are new to my channel, you are very welcome. My name is Patience. Thank you for stopping by, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for sticking around with me. Alright guys, so I'm just starting off by inflating my balloons. As you already know, I love my electric balloon pump, which is what I'm using. I'm just using my electric balloon pump to inflate my balloons. That way I'm still saving time. So I'm inflating my balloons in the same sizes. I'm not using a balloon sizer. I'm just eyeballing my balloons, making sure that they look the same in size, and once I inflate, I tie individually. So I will just fast forward and inflate all my balloons, and then we'll go on to stick them to the wall. Alright guys, as you can see, my balloons are all inflated, and I'm going to show you two ways you can stick them to the wall. As you can see, I have my tape and I have my balloon glue dots, which I'm going to be using. I actually prefer the glue dots, but you can still go ahead and use a tape if you don't have balloon glue dots. Yeah, so I'll just stick the tape onto my balloon. So now it has two sides. It can stick on both sides. So I'm going to stick it to the balloon and then stick it onto the wall. Again, remember to clean your wall, wipe it to make sure that it doesn't have any dust. That way your balloons can stick easily. And again guys, just to remind you, this is a Valentine's Day decoration. You can see I'm using red, and then we're going to be making a heart shape using our balloons. So after using the tape, I'm going to show you the second method, which is using my balloon glue dots. Just get my balloon and then stick my glue dots onto it. If you haven't watched my balloon garland videos on how to make balloon garlands, check that out, because there you will see exactly how I use my glue dots. Again, I'm just bringing it close for you to see better. One is enough guys, one is enough. I was just doing too much, so one is just enough. I put some 2, some 3, but one is enough. One can do the job. And the good thing about the balloon glue dots is that once you stick it to the wall, you can still come around and you move it, change the positions without messing up with your wall or messing up with your balloons. Everything is going to work just fine. Like you can see, I just moved my balloons closer to each other to make sure that they look more beautiful. I think they look more beautiful like that, and it didn't mess up my wall at all, and the balloon glue dots do not remain on the wall either. So I recommend that. It is the best for me. It's the best that I will prefer to use. So I don't know, but you can try both methods and tell me what works best for you. Yep, guys, so we are now done sticking our balloons to the wall. If you try both methods, let me know what works best for you. I actually prefer to use the balloon glue dots. Like you can see, I'm just moving them around without any problem. I'm moving them and sticking them back, and it is holding just fine. So yeah, guys, I was so in love with this decoration, with this tutorial. I enjoyed creating it, and I hope that you enjoyed watching it just like I did. Thank you so much for watching. If I was able to inspire you, please let me know in the comment section. If you are trying this for Valentine's Day, let me know your experience, and give me a thumbs up, guys, if you love this video. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.